My dear class 6 students, a warm greetings to you all. All of you know how important is computer science education in our today's life. So let's start to learn the subject computer science now. Our first lesson is the computer system. You have already learned a few portions of the computer system in previous classes. So let's get refreshed first. I am asking you the following questions to test yourselves. What does the term computer system mean? What is a computer? How does a computer work? Please pause here, think its answers and proceed. Dear students, hope you got the answer of the first question. What does the term computer system mean? Computer system, or simply we say system sometimes, typically include a CPU, that's the central processing unit, monitor, keyboard, mouse and other optional components. All of these components also can be integrated into all-in-one units such as laptop computers. I assume everybody got the answer for the question, what is a computer? You might have said computer is a machine or computer is an electronic device. Yes, computer is an electronic device that is used to store and process data to give useful information in a desired order. Let's check this in detail. We are using the computers for different purposes. How does the computer do all these works? So let's understand how does a computer work. We enter or input data and commands through input devices like keyboard and mouse. Computer memory stores it, the central processing unit processes it, and we get output or result through output devices like monitor and printer. For example, in the case of addition of two numbers, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 2 and 3 are input. The addition is the process and the answer 5 is the output. Hope you understood the term input, process and output. Now see the definition of a computer once again. A computer is an electronic device that is used to store and process data to give useful information in a desired order. This chapter has mainly 4 topics: classification of computers by size, hardware, mainly some input and output devices used for commercial purposes, classification of software and classification of computer languages. Today we learn about the classification of computers by size. I know you are much interested to watch videos. So next, watch a video carefully. Then we will discuss in detail about the different classification of computers by size.
Hi Deepa, how are you? I am good. Thank you. Jen, I have just returned from my friend's house. We were browsing and playing games on her iPad. It is very small and easy to carry. I wish I had an iPad too. My father has a laptop, and my mother uses a desktop computer. Jen, why do these computers come in different sizes? There are computers that cover more space. I will tell you the different types of computers. At the end of this unit, you will be able to classify the computers by its size. Explain the different kinds of input and output devices. Identify the different kinds of computer languages. Computers are classified into 5 groups based on its size. They are mobile computers, microcomputers, minicomputers, mainframes, supercomputers. Click each computer to know more about it. Among all the computers, mobile computers are the smallest. It is very easy to carry them around. Laptop, smartphones, tablets, and portable media players are mobile computers. Desktop computers are microcomputers. These are also called as personal computers, or PCs. Schools, offices, and colleges frequently use microcomputers. The microcomputers are small computers, and only one person can use at a time. Nowadays, many computers are not in use. Microcomputers have replaced minicomputers. Minicomputers are bigger compared to microcomputers. Examples of minicomputers include CDS-160A, DEC PDP, and SDS-92. Mainframes are multi-user computers. They perform bulk data processing in large organizations. They are large and expensive computers. Examples of mainframes are IBM Enterprise and Unisys ClearPath. A group of computers called as supercomputers are very powerful in their performance. They are the biggest and the most powerful. They cover a space as big as a room. Governments and industries use them for numeric calculations, such as weather forecasting. Supercomputers consist of two main components, that is, hardware and software. Cray-1 is a supercomputer.
Dear students, hope you liked the video. Let's discuss all now. On the basis of size, we can classify computers into 5 groups. They are: number 1, mobile computers, the smallest computers of all categories. Number 2, microcomputers, they are second in size. Number 3, mini-computers, which are larger than microcomputers in size. Number 4, mainframe computers. They are big, powerful and expensive multi-user computers. And the last one, number 5, supercomputers, the biggest and most powerful computers in the world. Mobile computers are the smallest computers or devices that uses computer technology and designed to be carried around by users. The word mobile refers it is able to move easily from one place to another. Examples are laptops or ultrabooks or netbooks, tablets, e-book readers, PDA, PMP, smartphones, etc. You might be using some of these devices, right? Laptops are portable versions of desktop PCs, and it is small enough to sit on our lap. Nowadays, laptop computers are more frequently called notebook computers as it is coming in thinner size. Let's see different categories of laptops. Notebook are thinner laptops. Actually, laptops and notebooks are identical because it is up to the manufacturer to name their devices, whether laptop or notebook. Netbooks are smaller in size and weight than laptops and usually do not have DVD drives and primarily focus on the internet access. From the name netbook itself, you can understand it is mainly for internet access. Ultrabooks are designed to have very latest technology in impressively thin and lightweight bodies. Ultrabooks are the latest of all laptops. We continue with mobile computers family. Tablets are without a keyboard and mouse and are operated via touchscreen. This device is very familiar to you all, right? E-book reader or electronic book readers are used to store and read books, newspapers, magazines, etc. Thousands of books we can store in this small device and can carry easily wherever we go and enjoy reading. Example, Kindle. Smartphone is a mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a computer, typically having a touchscreen interface, internet access, and an operating system capable of running downloaded apps. A personal digital or data assistant, in short PDA, is also known as a palm-top computer. These handheld devices can function as a cell phone, fax sender, personal organizer, and have the ability to connect to the internet. A portable media player, in short PMP, is an electronic device that stores and plays audio, images, videos, etc. Students, did you know a computer is a mobile computer? Yes, a computer derived from the words car and computer is a mobile computer that is designed for automobiles. The first computers were used for playing music and movies, internet connection and navigation. Computer uses also include smart technologies like GPS, Bluetooth, and touchscreen interfaces. A computer is also known as a car PC. The second category in the classification is microcomputers. Dear children, what did you understand about microcomputers? Microcomputer is a computer that is used by one person at a time. It will have only one microprocessor. Do you know what is a microprocessor? Microprocessor is the central processing unit on a single integrated circuit chip. So the computer with one processor is called microcomputer. Most of the computers we use normally at home or offices or schools, whether desktop or laptop, all are microcomputers. Microcomputers are also called personal computers or PCs. The third classification, mini-computers, were in use from 1960s to 1980. They are larger than microcomputers. At the beginning in 1960s, its size was same as a refrigerator. In 1980s, they got replaced by microcomputers. So now we cannot see such a type of computers, mini computers. Examples are CDC 160A, HP 2100, Microvax 3100, etc. Number 4, mainframe computers. They are big, powerful and expensive multi-user computers. They will have multiple processors and much storage capacity to maintain centralized terabyte-size databases. They are mainly used for bulk data and transaction processing in large organizations like government offices, airlines, and banks. Children, you might be seeing your parents are doing online flight ticket reservation or online money transfer, etc. In these cases, mainframe computers are used as servers as they can easily process massive amount of transactions in every second. Examples are IBM 4381, DEC 10, NEC 610, etc. Supercomputers, the biggest and the most powerful computers in the world. They can process thousands of trillions of instructions per second as they have large number of processors, and the substantial memory greatly increase the power and speed of the machine. They are used in applications where a lot of numeric and scientific calculations are needed. Example, IBM Sequoia can operate thousands of trillions operations per second, and it is used for nuclear weapon security and to make large-scale molecular dynamic calculations. And Fujitsu's K computer is used for variety of applications including climate research, disaster prevention, and medical research. Students, did you know about India's first supercomputer series? Param, developed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, in short CDAC, Pune, is the first series of supercomputers built in India. And Param 8000 is considered as India's first supercomputer. Students, hope you understood in detail the classification of computers by size. Here is the homeworks for you. Revise and learn all the points explained about the computer system and classification of computers by size. Download the Classics Computer Science worksheets from the school websites and learn. Learn the textbook exercise answers given and write the descriptive type question answers in the computer science notebook.